Hello everybody, today I will be learning Python. The sources that I will use are CS Dojo, this playlist, this playlist from MIT, and SoloLearn. So before starting, I just want to mention that I'm already familiar with the basic programming principles like variables, strings, booleans, etc., functions, loops, except for loops. So it will be easier for me to learn a new language. Okay, now let's get into it. So I'll start with print and let's try numbers. Okay, a string. Okay, I hope there is a shortcut for running the script instead of always going here. Uh, yeah, I don't know. Okay. Uh, how about with these? Do they make a difference? Um, okay, they don't. What if I added quotations? Okay, that's convenient. Better than doing special things to get these to work. Okay, now let's try variable. Okay, before starting with variables, I just want to try some mathematical equations here. 2 plus 2, 4, divide. Okay, so yeah, it changes it to float. Okay, will this work? I hope. Oh, what the? Yeah, it seems like it has a different meaning in Python. Uh, this should work. Yeah. Okay. Now let's start adding variables. I'll add a variable called variable, and let's make it equal to variable. I'm too lazy to think about stuff. Let's print it. Yeah. Now there is a way to print several things at the same time. So maybe two variables, for example. But I don't know how to do it in Python. Uh, let me show you what I mean in Roblox. So here, for example, I can add two dots, and if I run this, it adds them together. So I don't know if Python has something like that. I'm pretty sure it does. So let's try adding dot. Oh, okay, yeah, two dots. It might work. Let's add a string. Okay. Oh yeah, no, it doesn't work. What if I used a comma? Oh yeah, it does work. And it adds a space. Okay, that's nice. Let's try more things with variables. Oops. Okay, let's say I have a number. Okay, that's string. Uh, I wonder, is there a limit for strings? Let me try. Uh, I hope that's long enough. Oh my god. Okay, let's see if there's a limit. Apparently there's not. Pretty sure there is a limit, but it seems I didn't exceed it. 7,000 characters. Okay, I think that's the count. I don't know. Uh, let's try numbers. So I want to know if there is a limit with numbers too. So let's try. Yeah. Either there is no limit or the limit's too high. Okay. What about floats? Yeah, let's try it again. Oh no. Yeah. It's. Wait, does it round or not? I don't think it does. Okay. Anyways. So yeah, it seems to take only several digits. Okay, that's a little disappointing. Hmm. Now what can I do? Okay, can I add a number? Okay, I can do it, no problem. Okay, I'll go learn a few more, some, whatever. I'll go learn and come back. And I'm back after spending around an hour learning. Okay, so before starting with what I learned, I just wanna try to see if there is a limit still, because I'm still curious. So that's 10 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100. Okay, that's 1000. That's 10,000. Wait, although it says 8,100, but it seems I'm bad at counting. Uh, yeah, it was 8,000. Then, 1, 2. Oh, uh, okay, so it seems like there is a limit to the numbers it can view. But yeah, it's 10,001. Okay, but it seems I can continue because the numbers are increasing still. So yeah, let's try 1 million for good measure. That's pretty bad. Oh, there is not so lag. Okay. Uh, pretty sure that won't go well. I leave this just to know when it finishes, if it will. Oh, uh, that's probably not good. I hear my fan ramping up. Uh, did it crash or something? Nothing happened. Uh, yeah, literally nothing. I think that's the limit. Uh, yeah. Well, it's doing something, but I don't know. What if I end task? Oh, okay. I don't care what the limit is right now. Let's just start with the new stuff. So first, now I know how to make exponents. Yeah, success. And quotients. Although I don't remember hearing that in math class. That should equal 6. Yes. And remainder. Um, let's do 4.5 percent sign 2 should equal 0.5, and it is. Okay, it's cool. I use this because I'm too lazy. I don't want to open Visual Studio Code. So uh, let me see what I'm gonna do now. Okay, let's try printing multiple lines. Uh, line 1 slash n line 2. Let's try that. Didn't work. Wait, I think what if I remove this piece here? Oh no, it doesn't. It still doesn't work. What if I add a space here? Still doesn't work. What the hell? Okay, what about you know what? Let me get Visual Studio Code. Oh, what the hell? What the? Oh, that's new. Let's just do it. Okay, let's try again. Line 1 slash n line 2. I run this. God. Oh, I think I figured it out. I think that should work. Oh yes, it does. I didn't need Visual Studio after all. Okay, so yeah, I'm retarded. If I remove this, okay, it still works. What about using this methods? No, okay. Several. Mm, oh, no, oops. Let's try. Yeah, it works. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching.